This video is about a Humvee battery isolation or shut-off switch, and I have it right here. It's just, an on-off basic switch, painted a green, kind of blends in, just kind of disguised. So when you're leaving the vehicle, you would just turn it off, go away, and when you come back to start it, you'd have to get in the passenger side, open the door, and turn it back on. So this is what it looks like completed, and I'll shortly get into the video of how I got here with all the different cables and stuff. But here's the valve, the switch. It's routed underneath, just drill 2 holes, and I just got some radiator hose clamp, just cut it, split it, try to get as close as I could to size, just to protect it, both sides, and it isolates it. So this positive, if you follow my fingers, it goes underneath, comes through here, comes to the switch, and then it goes back to power. So you'll see that power comes from here. I'll do this again. Power comes from the vehicle, follows my finger, or do it the other way, follows my finger, right? Comes that way, follows through here, providing power to the switch. So once you turn it off, there's no power coming down this one. Try and get the sun, and then it follows here. So it just isolates it. American made, none of this Chinese junk. So all you would have to do is drill 2 holes down here, big enough to fit a radiator hose, and this will help. I bought a Home Depot soft kind of standing pad, or whatever it's called, for your comfort. It's like 3x3, so I just cut it up. It's pretty thick, but it's kind of soft, and I like to just cover the batteries so there's no issues with the seat cover bolts touching the battery at all. So this is just completely isolated. It'll help with some noise, and once I put this cover on, I can turn the switch on and off and not have to get in here very often, or too often.